Today we are going to learn fifth problem on flexible budget. Okay, here we know the variable cost vary according to the level of production. Fixed cost, it remain constant at any level of activity. Generally, variable cost, semi-variable cost, it can be divided into two parts, namely fixed cost and variable cost. Okay, we can divide. But in this problem, the semi-variable cost cannot be divided because it is also varies according to the production slightly. Yes, students, look at the problem. Sum number 5. The following data are available in a manufacturing company for a yearly period. Fixed expenses given in lakhs, in rupees. Wages and salary, rent rates, taxes, depreciation, sundry administration expenses. Under semi-variable heading, given for 50% capacity, maintenance and repair, indirect labor, sales department salaries, sundry administration salaries. Under variable expenses head, material, labor, other expenses are given. Assume that fixed costs remain constant at all level of production. That we know. The fixed costs remain constant at all level of production. Yes. Semi-variable remain constant between 45% to 65%. So, we should be very careful about semi-variable cost. The semi-variable cost remain constant between 45% to 65% production capacity. No change. No change. It remain constant. Then, increasing by 10% between 65% to 85%. So, between 65% to 80%, we should increase the semi-variable cost by 10%. Then, and by 20% between 80% to 100%. When production between 80% to 100%, we should increase the semi-variable cost by 20%. Yes. Then sales at various levels are given. If sales are given, we have to find the profit also. Prepare flexible budget for 50%, 60%, 75%, 90% and 100% capacity. I drawn format flexible budget. Given capacity level is 50%, we have to prepare budget for 60%, 75%, 90% and 100%. First, take fixed cost. Fixed cost. Fixed cost. Under fixed cost, the first one is wages and salary. Wages and salaries. For 50%, 9.5. It remain constant, so we can write for other production level also. Then rent rates and taxes. Rent, rates and taxes. 6.6 for 50%. For other capacity also we can use the same value. Then depreciation. Given for 50%, 7.4. It remain constant at all level of production. Then sundry administration expenses. Sundry administration expenses, its value 6.5. It remain constant at all level of production. Then we have to total the fixed cost. We have to total the fixed cost. Total fixed cost I am marking as A. We'll add later. Then next cost is semi-variable cost. Semi-variable cost. As per the question, 45 to 65%, no change. It remain constant. 65% to 80%, we have to increase by 10%. 80 to 100%, we have to increase by 20%. Yes. Semi-variable expenses given for 50% capacity. First one is maintenance and repair, 3.5. Maintenance and repair given for 50%, 3.5. What problem says 45% to 65%, no change. Next production level is 60%. It is coming under within this first case. So we can write the same 3.5. When it comes to 75% capacity, we have to increase by 10%. So the 70% lies in between 65% to 80%. So we have to increase 10%. We have to increase 10%. So 3.5 plus 10%. We have to increase 10%. So 3.85. Then when it comes to 90%, it lies between 80% to 100%. So we have to increase 20% from the base. 3.5 is the base. 3.5 plus 20%. So 4.2. Then we have indirect labor. Indirect labor value 7.9. It remained constant between 45% to 65%. When it comes to 70%, we have to increase 10%. Here we have to increase 20% and 20%. So 7.9 plus 10%, 8.69. Here we have to increase 20% from the base. 7.9 plus 20%, 9.48. Then same 9.48. Then sales department salaries. Sales department salaries given for 50% capacity 3.8. Up to 65 it remained constant. Then when it comes to 70%, we have to increase 10% from the basic. So 3.8 plus 10%, 4.18. When it comes to 90%, we have to increase 20%. So 3.8 plus 20%, 4.56. Then sundry administration expenses. Sundry administration expenses value 2.8. Here we have to increase 10%. So 2.8 plus 10% we have to increase. 3.08. When it comes to 90 and 100, we have to increase 20% from the basic. 2.8 plus 20%, 3.36. Then semi-variable overhead under head all items taken. Then we have to add total semi-variable cost. Total semi-variable cost I am marking as B. Then we have last one, variable cost. It varies according to the production. Given for 50% capacity. First item is material. Materials 21.7. So 21.7, it is for 50%, we have to calculate for 60%. So 21.7 divided by 50 into 60. So 21.7 divided by 50 into 60. 21.7 divided by 50 into 60. 26.04. This is for 60 divided by 60 into 75. This is for 75 divided by 75 into 90. 39.06. So 39.06 divided by 90 into 100. 43.4. Then we have labor. Its value 20.4. So 20.4 divided by 50 into 60. 24.48 divided by 60 into 75. 30.6 divided by 70 into 90. We are getting 36.72. Divided by 90 into 100, we are getting 40.8. Then last one, other expenses. 7.9. So 7.9 divided by 50 into 60, 9.48. Divided by 60 into 75, we are getting 11.85. Divided by 75 into 90, 14.22, divided by 90 into 100, we are getting 15.8. We completed variable. Here fixed cost remain constant, but variable cost we have situation 45% to 65% production capacity, no change. 65% to 80% production capacity, we have to increase by 10%. Between 80 to 100%, we have to increase 20%. The variable cost varies according to the production. Then we have to total the variable cost. So total variable cost I marked as C. First we have to add the fixed cost. Fixed cost 9.5 plus 6.6 plus 7.4 plus 6.5, total 30. So it remain constant for all level of production. Then semi-variable cost 3.5 plus 7.9 plus 3.8 plus 2.8, 18. Then 3.85 plus 8.69 plus 4.18 plus 3.08, 19.8. When it comes to 90%, 4.2 plus 9.48 plus 4.56 plus 3.36, 21.6. Here we can write the same because both gives the same effect. When it comes to variable cost, first for 50% capacity 21.7 plus 20.4 plus 7.9, 50. Then 50 divided by 50, total variable cost for 50%. So it should be for 50% capacity, we have to calculate for 60%. So 50 divided by 50 into 60, we are getting 60. 60 divided by 60 into 75, we are getting 75. 75 divided by 75 into 90, we will get 90. 90 divided by 90 into 100, we get 100. Then in this problem, total fixed cost, semi-variable cost and total variable cost also given. Then we have to find the total cost. Total cost. What is the formula? A plus B plus C. We have to add the total of fixed cost, semi-variable cost and variable cost. 30 plus 18 plus 50, 98. Here 30 plus 18 plus 60, 108. Here 30 plus 19.8 plus 75, 124.8. Then here 30 plus 21.6 plus 90. Here total fixed cost 30, total semi-variable cost 21.6, total fixed cost, total variable cost 100. So 151.6. Students, in this problem, one more information is given, that is sales. Sales given for different production level. 50% capacity they incur 100. At 50% capacity they sold for 100 lakhs. Then 60% 120 lakhs. At 70% 150 lakh, 150. Then 90% 180. At 100% 200. If sales are given, we have to find profit or loss. If sales exceeds the total cost, that is profit. Here sales more than the total cost, 2 rupees is profit, 2 lakh. Here the difference 12 is the profit. Here 150 minus 124.8, 25.2 is the profit. Here 180 minus 141.6, 38.4 is the profit. Here 200 minus 151.6, 48.4. Students, we completed last problem in relation to flexible budget. In next class, we'll solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.